Sometimes the time just slips away, and you're left with this today, left with the memories. I'll always think of you and smile and be happy for the time I had you with me. Though we go our separate ways, I won't forget, so don't forget the memories we made. Please remember, I was there for you and you were there for me. Please remember our time together. The time was yours and mine, and we were out and free. Please remember, me. Goodbye. There's just no set of word to say, and it's sad to walk away with just the memories. Who's to know what might have been? We leave behind a life and time we'll never know again. Please remember, I was there for you and you were there for me. And remember, please remember me. Please remember, I was there for you and you were there for me. Please remember our time together. The time was yours and mine, and we were wild and free. Then remember, please remember me. And I will laugh and I will smile, and I'll promise yours and mine, and all the dream was out of reach. I stood by you, you stood by me. We took each day and made it right. We wrote our names across the sky. We ran so fast, we ran so free. I knew you and me.
Family and friends, you've been invited here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Asirika and Jansen. And on their behalf, I thank you for being here today. They truly appreciate your presence here at their wedding ceremony. Every couple needs family and friends to both celebrate and comfort them as they go through married life together. Marriage is both easier and more enjoyable with family and friends present. Asirika and Jansen have chosen you, those that are special and important to them, to witness and celebrate their marriage. The secret of love and marriage is to be in love and in trust, to know in your hearts that you only want the best for each other. You are about to vow from this day forward you will share everything about your lives together as one. Your love for each other must be unconditional, with absolute honesty. The bond you share must be close, allowing you both to grow and change in positive ways. Always remembering to respect each other's individuality whilst recognising your similarities and acknowledging your differences. You are to be loving, caring, and above all, best friends. Oh, that sun's hot. The blessing has come out. The promises you are about to make to each other are the most important part of the ceremony today. These words should be spoken with honesty, love, and with the understanding that they should influence everything you do together from this day forward. Please face each other and hold hands. Asideta, do you promise to love and cherish Jansen always, to care for him, to be faithful and honest, and stand by him through all that life can bring, as long as you both shall live? Jansen, do you promise to love and cherish Asideta always, to care for her, be faithful and honest, and stand by her through all that life can bring, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Asideta, please repeat the following to Jansen. I, Asideta, take you, Jansen, to be my partner for life, through good times and bad. I promise you my heart, my soul, my support, my laughter. I promise to respect, honour and care for you. I ask you now to share the rest of our days as husband and wife. I say to you and only you, I will love you always. Jansen, please repeat the following stuff. I, Jansen, take you, Atireta,
I, Jansen, take you, Atireta,
to be my partner for life,
my partner for life,
through good times and bad.
through good times and bad.
I promise you my heart,
Promise you my heart,
my soul,
my soul,
my support, my laughter.
my support, my laughter.
I promise to respect,
I promise to respect,
honour and care for you.
honour and care for you.
I ask you now to share the rest of our days
I ask you now to please your day,
as husband and wife.
husband and wife.
I say to you and only you,
I say to you and only you,
I will love you always.
I will love you always.
May we have the rings, please?
Iya. Ano may taka? Iya, may tawa pa yun. Hey, it's a good boy.
Rings you're about to exchange are the very symbols of your marriage and represent the love that binds you together as husband and wife. They embody the vows you have just made so that whenever you are apart, they serve as comforting reminders of your love and commitment to each other. Asideta, as you place the ring on Jansen's finger, please repeat after me. Jansen, please accept this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to you. And with this ring, I seal my vows. Jansen, as you place the ring on Asideta's finger, please repeat after me.
Atireta,
Please accept this ring
please accept this ring
as a symbol of my love and commitment to you.
as a symbol of my love.
And with this ring, I seal my vows.
With this ring I seal my love.
Asideta and Jansen, you have fulfilled the formalities required by law to establish a marriage. Today, your wedding is the beginning of a beautiful and exciting chapter in your lives. Each day, commit yourself to one another freely and trustingly without any reservations, and you will continue to find joy in each other. Always keep the vows and the promises you have made today close to your hearts and you will weather all and any challenges you may face. I wish you both a rich and satisfying life together, and by the powers vested in me as a celebrant of the wonderful institution of marriage, I now have great pleasure in pronouncing you as husband and wife. Yes? We're just going to sign the register and we'll be back.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean
Just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now.
If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. And I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
Asineta and Jansen, may I express on behalf of us all here today, congratulations. Everybody, may I now introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Maharaj.